hopefully tomorrow we have electric. I don't know when the jobs and my dad jobs and the brother got paid. Hopefully the electric, remember, at least his electric bill got paid. I don't know. Grandma,
Huh?
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm glad I am too. It's just that,
I want my company.
uh,
All this business going on. Pull them from out.
anyway, when Andy called, well, like I said, Mom, he was talking to me, and then he was, and then Mom's like, oh, then don't talk to him. I know, and then everybody's still, everybody's still irritating me, and I'm like, seriously? I talked to my counselor last night.
Well,
Yesterday before my game, and it's like,
best thing to do is talk to your dad. Because your dad will talk to Andy, and we'll see what happens.
I try to talk to them, and I get slapped, and it's like, oh, he don't do nothing. Bull crap. I know what,
Well, I'll talk to your dad.
and then I get blamed for it.
Yeah, don't.
Cause Mom don't want me around, and Mom even told me, you don't go over there. Cause he wanted me to come over to Mom's. No, cause of his bad choices. No.
Well, then you just. I'll talk to Tim and tell him, be out there and you guys go out and play basketball. See what the weather is on Easter. Might be too cold.
And then the whole thing with Justin, I'm like, oh my god, I can't be happy. Well, I am, but I still have. And people are telling me, you're 22 years old, you can't cry. I'm like, I can cry, damn it.
A grown man can cry. That's the trouble with this world now.
Because I still get picked on, and I'm like, I can cry. That's what my counselor said, you can cry.
That's right. This whole world
It's,
thinks they shouldn't cry, and it's all right to cry.
exactly. No, but they're like, oh, let's pick on Dylan and aggravate each living nerve in his body. Especially with the whole freaking Justin situation. It's like, let's scare Dylan out of his wits to the point where he explodes. Well, Mr. Adams said yesterday, my counselor, he said, at least, like he said, just mute the chats, which I did, and, well, I unmuted it, but, and if he continues, report it, and then I said I did. And then I even went on my Snapchat, I even deleted it and remade a new account. But everybody started complaining, Dylan, why did you block me? I didn't block you, I just remade a new account. And I even said, quit picking on me, because in the end, y'all hurting yourself.
Oh dear.
At least I have family that actually loves me and supports me. and some friends. Corey being one of them.
Yeah.
If people weren't so selfish and actually see for who I really am, then instead of what they think I am, then everyone at Bridges loves me. I don't know.
Concert series will kick off June 5th at Mansfield Square. And concerts are scheduled for every Wednesday night in June and July, except July 17th. Each concert is set to run from 6 to 8. City Recreation.
Why don't we? I wish the summer concerts and all that.
Yeah.
But I don't know what the heck I'm doing this summer.
Two pizzas coming up, special delivery.
I'll go get them.
One's rabbit stew and one's
Ew.
cow meat
Ew.
with alligator ribs.
I'll take gator.
Gator.
I had gator before. Also deer meat.
Deer meat's good. I never tried it on pizza, but that's good.
Uncle Dave makes deer jerky.
Does it?
Aunt Shane's husband. We had it before.
Yeah, I bet. He probably got on his property, he probably got deer that he kills, right?
Well, every time he goes hunting, he makes deer jerky.
So you can wear those shoes with just about any color.
Yeah,
I want
hoping my pink ones work though.
a shirt that says, if you have a complaint, file it with the idiot department. Do I need to go down with...
Food, they're going to have food trucks that will offer more of a meal and a dessert such as Fats on the Go, Moose's
That's the restaurant.
Tornado, and potatoes.
That's the restaurant that had the St. Patrick's Day party on my birthday last week.
And then
For Bridges.
Taco Delight and Chef's Barbecue, along with Pelican
Thought you-
Snowballs,
Thought you said,
Froyo.
oh, my brother's old work.
Huh. What is Pelican's Snowballs?
Probably snowballs that came from a pelican.
Pelican Snowballs. I bet you there are those ice balls.
Yes.
Following page 2. Right.
Do I need to go down with Grandpa?
He said no. He said you bring him up.
Okay. Forget my rock and roll. We're going to throw back.
Elvis.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I listen to Elvis. In fact, I have him on Pandora.
June 5th. Vinyl Arcade.
Blue Hawaiian
7.
Elvis Presley.
Yeah.
Not
June 5th is Vinyl Arcade. 1970s and 80s jukebox classics. June 12th is Revolution High. Revolution High Beatle tribute.
the Beatles.
June 19th, Blue Evolution, British invasion of the 60s and 70s.
No, 80s? Aw.
June 26th, Carlos Jones and the Plus Band. Crockers, something. July 3rd, Country Redford.
Maybe I'll have to go to the concerts this year at Perry Township with you and Grandpa.
Yeah, Country Redford. Modern Country. July 10th. Swamp Rattlers. That's my thing.
Don't they play classic country? The Swamp Rattlers?
Yeah. Classic rock and
Oh yeah,
rock and blues.
they play that. I forgot. I feel better. Yeah,
Rick and
I feel better. I just had to let my feelings out. So
who's you talking to?
myself.
Oh, I thought you were emailing.
No. I just feel better because I just had to let my feelings out.
Rick and Rockets Classic Rock.
Good. Maybe they can play Def Leppard.
July 31st, Aaron Nicole, Country Soul, R&R.
You know, I want to go to the Painesville Railroad Museum this year.
Yeah, I like to go in there. They're supposed to have a...
Because you know I'm into model railroading and I haven't been to one. I was supposed to go last year for their model railroading flea market and train show, but we didn't have the money, and I'm like, I'm like, I wonder if Grandma and Grandpa still have that model. I wonder if Dad still has his model train that we got him for Christmas.
Grandpa still has it, but he just doesn't feel like putting it on anymore.
Well, then maybe I could have it.
We'll have to see.
Cause I'm in that. If I get the money, I want like, cause I still watch Thomas. I want like Thomas and all that from Bachman and whatever. If I get a train set, where am I gonna set it up? In my bedroom. We have the smallest bedroom at home. My brother, put that away. I'm gonna step on it. No, is that Grandpa's train set? He's like, is that Grandpa's train set? I'm like, yeah, it's mine now. Jailhouse Rock, Elvis Presley.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
That's the song that Mom played when I got out of jail.
Oh, okay.
I could go get my speaker. Jailhouse Rock. Jailhouse Rock. I don't know if I should move my stuff back out here or just leave it in the spare bedroom.
It's fine. I don't know if I have to go in the spare bedroom for anything. I'll have to see.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yes, I know it's
The
ready to
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.